What's up everyone, welcome to the ukerocks challenge. If you're ready to take your ukulele playing to the next level, dive into music and learn some really cool rock riffs, you're in the right place. For this challenge there are 3 prizes. Prize number 1 is a beautiful acacia solid body ukulele by Kala, the one that you see on the wall. Well, not mine, but the same model. Needless to say, it's perfect for playing rock music. Prize number 2 is a one-to-one lesson with me. And prize number 3 is the first edition of my ukerocks booklets. I'm super excited to get started. This is actually the 4th challenge I'm hosting. Time flies and I'm still here teaching you. Having said that, let's dive in and go over what you can expect from this challenge. In the first 4 lessons, you will learn the technique foundation you need to play the ukulele, hammer-ons, double stops and power chords, and the minor pentatonic scale. On top of that, you will learn 4 rock riffs. And for the final lesson, lesson 5, you will learn how to write a rock riff. One thing I want to emphasize is that this challenge is for everyone. You don't need any prior knowledge, as I will be explaining everything from scratch, and you will be able to come up with your own riff by the end of the ukerocks challenge. If you already have experience, don't worry, I got something for you too. Each lesson will include extension tasks for those who have been playing longer. Now it's time to start playing. One of the most important aspects while learning an instrument is using the correct technique. It is extremely important to know how to use your instrument properly. While most people would agree with this, many don't spend enough time on the basic technique, especially when starting with the ukulele. This exercise I'm about to show you aims to teach you how to get the notes out of your ukulele. Through this exercise, you'll acquire the basic but proper left-hand technique needed to play notes and chords on the fretboard. It goes like this: 3, 4. Let's break it down. You start with fret number 1 on the first string, then 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, all the fingers are on the fretboard by the time I play fret 4. Then I go back and I have 4, 3, 2, 1. Fingers should be like hammers, and again, don't forget to keep your fingers on the fretboard. Then you repeat the same pattern on the second string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the third string, and on the fourth string. Remember to practice this exercise with a metronome. Before you start working on this, there are 2 important things to consider. Number 1, the focus here is on the left hand, so for the right hand, keep it simple and just use your thumb like I did. 2, remember, keep your fingers on the fretboard when doing this exercise. It's this and not this. You can find the tabs for this exercise in the folder for free, but I'll give you more details about that at the end of this video. Now it's time to show you a riff that puts into action what you just learned. Come As You Are by Nirvana. It goes like this. Okay, let's break it down. You start with fret number 2 twice, then 3, 4, then 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, and 3. All together. Then you have 2, 5, 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, and you end with fret 4. All together. Now let's play the entire riff again. Remember to keep your fingers on the fretboard when possible and use the same fingers I did. If you want to dive deeper into this riff, check out my tutorial for Come As You Are where I teach you more about the song. Now let's talk about the assignment. So your assignment is to learn and record the riff from Come As You Are. I've set up a folder with all the materials you'll need for this challenge. You will find the tabs and also a Guitar Pro audio file so that you can be 100% sure of how the riff should sound. You can access the folder from my link in bio if you're watching on Instagram or from the description if you're watching on YouTube. This is completely free, by the way. Remember to use the hashtag @ukerocks and mention me in your stories or posts. So don't forget to add @UkuleleLovers1. By doing this, I can see your assignments and you'll have the chance to win one of the prizes, including the fantastic Kala Solid Body tenor ukulele. I will also reshare your work in my stories and give you some feedback. By the way, you can join the challenge through Facebook or YouTube. Just remember to tag me. Having said that, I'm looking forward to your assignments and I'll see you in 3 days with the second lesson of this challenge. Ciao!